Hi, in this video, I will show you how the Autopilot engine works in TMO and Almo. Using Autopilot, you can set up a series of rules which the products will evaluate against an incoming email. If an incoming email matches one of the rules, then TMO and Almo will either create a new work item or link that email to an existing work item depending on how the rule was set up. To start with Autopilot, the easiest way to see this in action is when you're creating a new work item. When you create a new work item, if you check this checkbox, an autopilot rule gets created automatically. And what that rule would do is if someone replies to that email, that incoming email will be linked to the same work item that you're creating here. I know that can be a bit confusing. Let me show you what I mean. I will simply create the work item. Notice that a work item with the ID 1996 was created, and I check this checkbox. Next, I will reply to this email. When this reply comes back in my inbox, Almo or TMO will link that new email to the same work item 1996 that I had created earlier. Let's see if that happened. There you go. The new email came in, and as you can see, the view menu is enabled and 1996 has been linked with this email. This is the basics of Autopilot. Let's go and look at Autopilot in more detail. To set up your Autopilot rules, bring up the rule editor by using this menu option. Click Create New Rule, give it a name, and then tell Almo and TMO what they should do if an incoming email matches that rule. You can either create a new work item using an existing template. To know more about templates, please visit our blog. Or you can link the incoming email to an existing work item. As always, TMO and Almo will give you options of existing work items. You can also find one using this dialog. To know more about this dialog, please visit our blog. For this video, I will opt to create a new work item using this template. Next, I set my rules. You can set rules on various properties of emails. For the purpose of this demo, I will tell Almo that if the incoming email has a subject that contains the word demo, create a new work item using this template. And I will tell Almo to monitor this folder for incoming emails. You can tell Almo and TMO to monitor various Outlook folders where you might be routing emails using inbuilt rules. If you also want Almo and TMO to apply the rules to outgoing emails, check this checkbox. I will leave this unchecked. At this point, I have everything that I need. I can simply save this rule, and the next time an email comes in which has demo word in its subject, Almo will automatically create a work item using this template. Let's see that in action. Save the rule and come out. Start typing an email. Let's put in a subject with the word demo in it. And once I send this email out and my Outlook gets it, Almo should create the work item automatically. Let's see that in action. There we go. The email just came in and Almo automatically created a work item with ID 1997, which is of type custom bug, using the template that I had specified. Going back to the rule engine again to cover one last point, you can actually extend the rule by more operators. Click the Add New Clause button, use an AND or an OR operator, and create as many conditions as you like on different fields that are possible. One final point, the rules that have the word auto created in front of them were automatically created by the rule engine when you checked that checkbox while creating the work item, which was this one. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will enjoy working with Autopilot. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.